Now I am going to discuss question number 13, exercise 3.4 equal to using elementary transformations, find the inverse of the matrix, opening up square bracket. The elements of first row 2 minus 3 and the elements of second row minus 1 2, closing of square bracket. This is the question which I have taken from chapter 3 matrix of NCERT 12 mathematics. Now come out to solution. Here I shall write solution. Solution I shall write here. Solution equal to let capital A equal to opening of square bracket, the elements of first row I shall write 2 minus 3, the elements of second row I shall write minus 1 2 I shall write, closing of square bracket. This is the matrix given the question itself. From this matrix you have to find A inverse. So here you can see in the question it is mentioned using elementary transformation. Here in the question it is mentioned using elementary transformation. So here I shall use only elementary row operation in order to get the value of A inverse from the given matrix. So here I shall write using elementary row operation goes to formula. I shall write formula for elementary row operation. The formula is A equal to IA. For elementary row operation, the formula is A equal to IA, where A is the given matrix, I is the identity matrix, A is the given matrix. So here you can see I have written A. In place of A, I shall write this given matrix. So here I shall write the given matrix. The elements of first row of the given matrix I shall write 2 minus 3. The elements of first row in the given matrix I have written 2 minus 3, and the elements of second row of the given matrix I shall write here minus 1 2 will be written like this, equal to, this is the identity matrix that will have the same order as in the given matrix here. So I shall write the identity matrix. The elements of first row in the identity matrix will be 1 0, and the elements of second row in the identity matrix will be 0 1. Closing of square bracket I shall done here. Here I shall write capital A. So here you can see this is the given matrix, this is the identity matrix, this multiply to capital A, given matrix. Here I am using elementary row operation in order to get the value of inverse of the given matrix. For ERO, you know the trick. For ERO, all operations are carried in anti-clockwise direction. This is the anti-clockwise direction. This is the anti-clockwise direction. For ERO, all operations will be carried out in anti-clockwise direction. So this is anti-clockwise direction. Here I shall apply the property in order to get the given matrix here converted into identity matrix, and this identity matrix will be converted into A inverse of matrix A, and that this is given matrix here. This is the given matrix that will be converted into identity matrix by applying row property. So here these two will be converted into 1 because the elements of principal diagonal in the identity matrix must be 1. So here 1 should be there, here 1 should be there. Here 0 should be there, here 0 should be there. Because this whole of the matrix is going to be converted into identity matrix. So in order to make these two as 1, I shall apply here row property. So here this 2 is there in first row. So here I shall write row property R1 goes to 1 over 2 R1. This property I shall apply. This property apply, and applying of this property, this matrix will be converted into as it is, let us see. Here you can see R1 goes to 1 over 2 dot R1. Only changes will occur in the row of R1. There will be no change in the elements of row R2. The elements of R2 will be written as it is. Here for this element, this is R1. So here you will, if you put here 2 R1 is equal to 2 here. If you put here 2, so 2 over 2 it comes out to 1. So here you will get here 1. And for this element minus 3, in place of R1 put here minus 3. So this will become R1 equal to minus 3 over 2. So here I shall write minus 3 over 2 I shall write. Closing of square bracket will occur here. Equal to here this property R1 goes to 1 over 2 R1 I have applied in the matrix here. The same property R1 goes to 1 over 2 dot R1 will be applied in this matrix also. So what happened, let us see. There will be no change in the elements of R2 here. The element of R2 I shall write as it is, and only changes will occur in the elements of R1 here. R1 goes to 1 over 2 dot R1. I shall take the value of R1 here as 1. So here I shall get 1 over 2. And here in place of R1 if I write here 0, 0 over 2 comes out to here 0. This bracket closing of square bracket will occur. Right here capital A. Now here you have got this matrix. This matrix is going to be converted into identity matrix. All operations in this matrix will occur in anti-clockwise direction. This element you have got here 1. Now we will try this for this element, because -1 here will be converted into 0, because all operation will be carried out in anti-clockwise direction. From here go to this one, so down we will go. So here -1 will be converted into 0. For this I shall apply property. I shall take here only R2. Now R2 goes to R2 plus R1. If I apply property, R2 goes to R2 plus R1. So this is R2. Respective element of -1 will be 1, will be added, comes out to be 0. In here you will get easily 0. So here I shall write R2. The element of R2 I shall write here -1 to I shall write, and here is a R2 plus R1. The respective element of R1, the respective element of -1 in the R1 is 1 here. So here write here plus 1, because here R2 equal to here R2 equal to -1, here R1 equal to 1. So this will be added, you will get here easily. And for this one, this is R2, R2 plus R1 respectively -3/2. So here I shall write -3/2 will be written. This both will be added together. If you add this one, 2 minus 3/2 will be added. You can get easily 2 2 is 4. The LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2. 2 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 comes out here 1. 1/2 will get. 1/2 will get. So here I shall write, let us see. The elements of first row will be written as it is, because here the property R2 goes to R2 plus R1 has been applied. But there will be no change in the elements of R1 here. So here I shall write the elements of R1 as it is. And there will be changes only in R2. So here it will be 0. In place of 2, I shall write here 1/2. Closing of square bracket. 1, 1, 1 minus 3/2. In place of -1, I shall write here 0. And in place of 2 here, I shall write 1/2. Equal to in this matrix I have applied this property. I have got the matrix this one. By applying this property in this matrix, we shall get the matrix, new matrix here. This property will be applied in this matrix also. So here you can see only changes will occur in the row of R2, second row. There will be no change in the elements of R1 here. So here I shall write the element of R1 as it is. 1/2 0 I shall write. And changes will only be occurred in the elements of second row. So here you can see R2 goes to R2 plus R1. So here I shall write R2 goes to the elements of R2 here 0, 1. Respective element of 0 in first row is 1 over 2. So here I shall 1 over 2. Here respective element of 1 in first row is 0. So here write 0. And adding you will get easily here 1 over 2 will get, here you will get 1. Dot A I shall write. Now you have got this matrix. In this matrix, you will apply the row property so that this element 1 over 2 becomes 1. Because whole of this matrix is going to be converted into identity matrix. So let us see. Here I shall apply property R2 goes to 2 over 1 R2. R2 goes to 2 over 1 dot R2. So if I take the value of R2 here 0, the 0 is multiplied to 2 comes out to 0. Here R2 in place of R2, if I shall write here 1 over 2. So 1 over 2, 2 over 1. So here we will get R2 0 1 over 2 0 R2. If I say I shall take R2 as 0, the 0 will multiply to 2. 2 into 0 comes out to 0 here. And 1 over 2 will multiply to 2 comes out to here 1. So here you will get easily 1. So here this matrix will become. There is no change in the elements of first row. So here I shall write first row as it is minus 3 over 2. And in second row here it will become 0. Here you will get 1. Equal to. And there is no change in first row. So here I shall write first row as it is 1 over 2, 0. Only changes will occur in second row. The second row 1 over 2. Here I shall write 1 over 2. 2 will be cancelled out. They get the element here 1. And here if I take here R2 equal to 1, here write 1, here you will get here 2. Dot A it will become. Now this is the rough work. I am going to erase this one. So here you will get these are the things I have got. I am going to reflect the same thing here. The elements of first row I shall write here 1. Minus 3 over 2 I shall write. 0, 1 I shall write. Equal to opening of square bracket. The elements of first row I shall write 1 over 2. The elements of second row I shall write 1, 2. Dot A it will be written. The elements of first row 1 minus 3 over 2. Second row 0, 1. Here first row elements 1 over 2, 0, 1, 2 dot A. Now here you can see this whole of matrix is going to be converted into identity matrix. In identity matrix here you have got the elements of principal diagonal as 1 and here 0. This term will become here 0. In order to make minus 3 over 2 as 0, I shall use the property, row property here I shall use. What property I shall use? Let us see. R1 goes to R1 plus R1 plus 3 over 2 R2. Apply property this one. R1 goes to R1 plus 3 over 2 R2. Let us see what will happen. Here you can see R1. The only changes will occur in the elements of R1 here. There will be no changes in the elements of R2 here. This matrix will become. There will be no changes in the elements of R2 here. The elements of R2 will be written as it is. And changes will occur only in the elements of R1 here. So here I shall take R1 1 minus 3 over 2 I shall take R1. If I take here R1 as 1 plus 1 R1 I shall take here 1 I taken plus 3 over 2 and is the respective element of 1 in first row will be 0. So here I shall write R2 as a 0. So here it will become 0. And at this place R1 I shall take minus 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 and respective element of minus 3 over 2 in R2 will be 1. So in place of R2 here I shall write here 1. So this will become this whole term plus 3 over 2 into 0 comes out to 0. 0 plus 1 comes out to here 1. And minus 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 both will be added together, you will get here 0. Now here I shall write 1. Here you will get here 0. Closing of square bracket equal to. Now let us see what happened in this matrix which has got more importance. So here you can see if you apply the property R1 goes to R1 plus 3 over 2 R2 in the matrix here, there will be no changes in the elements of R2 here. I shall write the elements of second row as it is 1, 2 I shall write, and only changes will occur in the elements of first row. So here R1 I shall take R1, 1 over 2 I shall take, 0 I shall take. This is R1. R1 plus, here I shall write plus 3 over 2, here 3 over 2, or respective element of 1 over 2 in second row is 1. So here I shall write 1. And the respective element of 0 in second row is 2. So here it will be written 2. And plus 3 over 2 is there. Plus 3 over 2 is there. Plus 3 over 2 is there. This one. Now what we'll do here? Do the process here. Plus 3 will multiply to 1. Here you will get here 3 over 2. 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2. Here you will take LCM 2, you will get here 2. 3 plus 1 here get 4. 4 over 2 comes out here 2. 3 एक 4, 4 over 2, 2 you will come out of 2, and here you will get 2 will be cancel out, you will get here easily 3. So the elements of first row, it will become 2, and here you will get here 3. Closing of square bracket will be done, here you will get capital. This is the rough work which I am going to erase. So here you have got, this is the identity matrix, this is the inverse of the matrix A, and this is the given matrix multiplied here. So here you have got, this is 2, so here I shall write 2, this is 2, here I write 2, and this is 3. So this identity matrix equal to A inverse dot A. This is the identity matrix equal to the value of A inverse you have got here, this one, dot A. So here you will get A inverse equal to opening of square bracket 2, 3, 1, 2. The answer, this will be the answer. Answer implies that A inverse equal to opening of square bracket, the elements of first row 2, 3, the elements of second row 1, 2. Closing of square bracket will be done here. And solution of question number 13, exercise 3.4. You have got the value of A inverse equal to the elements of first row 2, 3, the elements of second row 1, 2. This is the